Linked to the process of petrification are the concepts of moulds and cast. Now, a mould is an imprint of an organism, and the cast is the later filling in of that imprint to form a fossil. So, to form a mould and cast, a fossil must first be buried in sediment. So let's take our sediment again. There we go, and we have a fossil. So we've got maybe a bivalve of some sort here. So we've got our bivalve, and it's dead. Again, to be fossilised, it has to be rapidly buried, or else it will be eaten by scavengers or will decay bacterially. So we have our sediment. Usually, for the best fossils, you need fine-grained sediment. Two reasons for this. Fine-grained sediment will fill in all the gaps and all the intricate detail around the fossil, and also it usually means a low-energy environment. So to recapture fine-grained sediment, it will equal lots of detail in the fossil, and it would also be low energy, meaning the fossil wouldn't get, or the animal wouldn't get broken up. Anyway, over time more and more layers exert pressure on this sediment, so pushing down on it, and it will make a really good imprint of the outside of the shell. And that imprint is the mould. So the imprint made by the sediment on the outside of the fossil or the animal is the mould. Now, over time, as we said before, groundwater moves through this sediment, and because it's slightly acidic, will dissolve away. Will actually dissolve away the inside of this organism. So you're now left with, let's draw one over here. There we go. So we have now a imprint, a mould, with a space in the middle. And as we've said before, over time any percolating water will precipitate minerals inside it to completely fill in the mould, and that becomes a cast. Now, obviously it doesn't have to completely remove all the material first to make an empty void, then fill it in. Often it dissolves it, fills it in, dissolves it, fills it in bit at a time, but eventually that's how you form a mould and a cast.